Hello and welcome back to my video about Nuxt.js. In this video I will show how the basic installation will be. So let's begin to install a Nuxt.js app from the beginning. If you have npm installed, the node, then you have npx as a default if your npm is higher than 5.2. And then we need to npx and create a Nuxt app, and then we can call it basic intro, and then save. And it's taking a little bit, and this will fetch out the basic files. And we're just waiting here to it's done, and we can continue after that. The next step will be we need to choose between the integrated server-side frameworks. I will pick the Express, but I will show you what the difference is. The project name is basic intro, that's fine. The description is fine because it's basic. Here you can pick up the same none, and then you have Express, Core, and so far you have. But I will pick Express. And then you can say about it's a progressive web app, or it's a linter, or yeah, you know that what you want to support. I will say this one should support it, and this one should be supported. Progressive web app is meaning you can speak better together with the mobile devices when you code, and Axios is the put and get request when you need to speak together with Express framework. So I will say this is a must if you install it and will play around about Nuxt.js and the Express framework. And the UI framework, you can always install that later, but my favorites right now it's the vue-cli and then Bootstrap. Bootstrap I have been using in many years, and vue-cli I'm still pretty new for that. And then there are a lot of others stuff. You can always install that later if you don't want right now. But let's take a Bootstrap for now. And then it's ask about you need a test framework, but I don't want a test framework right now. It's speak about should be a universal app or should it be a single page app. The difference is a single page app will load everything in one JavaScript file, and it could be more heavy to load for the client and very bad for the search engine to know. If you pick up the universal, I will recommend that. Then it's meaning your site will be a little bit slower, but not very much. But every single page will, if you pre-render your page, will be note about search engine. I will very much recommend to use that. Single page app is very nice if you play around with the game and something like that. But if you build a web shop, a CMS system like content management, or you need something to optimize for search engine, I will strongly recommend universal app. And this is my name, Paris Makita guys. I'm an author here. That's fine. I love to use npm. That's fine for me. So I will pick that. Now it's installing everything, and then we're just waiting here. It's taking a little, just a moment here, and then it's done. You can see up here I have a file structure here. It's loading and basic intro, and then we have everything here. It's installed, and yes, it's done. You can see cd basic intro, and then npm run dev. This is my developer mode, so it's starting a dev server for me. Everything is perfect fine. It's need to render, and then we are ready for up and running. So you can go for your local host with the port 3000, and then you can see your intro page. So thank you very much for seeing this video, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you understand the basic about installation about Nuxt.js. If you have any comments, please make them below. I really hope you want to subscribe my channel, and I hope you want to like and share and add this video for a playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.